I'm going to use the Tide Pods in conjunction with the Downy Unstoppables with the Tide Original Scent. This container has 42 packs in it. It's a 3-in-1. It has detergent, a stain remover, and a color protectant in it. The top has the usage. Here's some warning information. Here's the contact information. To use the product, it tells you to use 1 pod or 1 pack for small loads, 2 for large, and then 3 for extra large. That stays in. This is what the pods look like. They're not powder, so if you carry to a laundromat or something, you're going to have to be careful and not squish them. That would be messy. For the first use, I'm going to wash some drapes that I have. It's a small load, so I'm going to put 1 pod in. I always put the pods in with the water's running. It helps it dissolve a little bit faster. So people just throw it in there and throw clothes on top of it, and laundry on top of it, but I like to do it this way. It's dissolving fast. This is hot water. It smelled great while these were washing. They look clean. Smell great. No sign of the dust and grime that was on them. Nice. My clothes are clean, they smell nice, these are super easy to use. I'm not wild about this lid. I understand it's a child guard lid, but it's kind of a pain in the you-know-what. Also this, I'm assuming it could be pulled off, but it's hard to do. It's hard for me to do. I guess I could cut it off. I don't really need that to remind me every time I do a load of laundry. But I've got no complaints other than that. Just the package is a little weird. But the product is awesome. So I highly recommend it. I have other Tide products that I reviewed that I was not satisfied with. So I'm not just a Tide fan. I'm a fan of what works. The 2 aggravations I have with the container are easily fixed. I don't recommend you doing this if you have small children, but I just pull these out so that the little childproof safety things will no longer catch on that. So it's a twist open. I'm cutting this off. So now, it works for me. Voila, problem solved. I like the product well enough that I recently put it in my subscribe and save setup from Amazon. So I'll be getting it on a regular basis.